For assignment 5-1, we're going to be working with converting your Google Doc to a Microsoft Word doc. Sometimes instructors will ask for Microsoft Word doc, and this shows how easy it is to convert between Microsoft Word and Google Docs, and vice versa. So I've done 5.1. I've copied and pasted all the text in. Formatting, we're going to just make sure that the first line is heading 1, and then the next 4 titles, we'll make these subtitle. I'm selecting, going to my styles, going to subtitle. And what we're going to do is we're going to save this file. This is a 5.1, it's a Google Doc. And I'm going to save it as or download it as a Microsoft Word doc. So you will still have the original, and now we also have it as a Microsoft Word document. I'm going to click Save. Notice I'm in Windows, and down in the left-hand corner it says, okay, you've downloaded a file, and notice the icon is Microsoft Word. Also, while we're doing that, before I forget, make sure that you remember where you saved it. I am in this PC on my desktop. If you're in a Macintosh, you also save it to the desktop. This is just to make it easy. We're going to delete this at the end. In a Chromebook, on a Chromebook, you'll be saving it to the Files menu. Before I forget that one. All right. Now we're going to close this 5.1, and we're going to go back to Google Drive. Or we can just click on the tab. I also had Google Drive open. And see, there's the 5.1 that I had. Now, this is a Google Doc, and you'll notice we have a icon here. That shows you what a Word doc looks like, and the identical Google Doc icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload that one that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go to the New button, and then I'm going to go to the second option down, File Upload. I go to 5-1, again, a Word document. Okay, I have one upload complete. Because I've done this more than once, I have 5-1, that 2 in parentheses. So I have a 5.1 in a Google Doc, and I can tell that it's a Google Doc by this icon. And same exact assignment, 5.1, in this blue with white W, and that shows that it's a Word document. So for this assignment, what we're going to do is we're in the Google Drive window, and we are going to take a screen capture. I'm in Windows. I'm going to open up my snipping tool. I open up my snipping tool. I'm going to do New. And just as proof, I'm going to show, oh yes, that's screen capture of just that window. Now notice also, if you take a quick look at this, notice that that 5.1 was actually another student's from years gone by. And I'm just going to use this. It's shared with me. But now I also have a Word document copy of that as well. So I'm going to go to Copy, Control+C. And I'm going back to my original Google Doc. Double click to open it, or go back to that tab. And I'm going to click at the bottom, Control+V. At this point, we all know that pastes. And I have a screenshot showing both documents, that I have a Word and a Google Doc of Microsoft Word. So I've shown that I've converted, downloaded, and then uploaded it back into my Google Drive. Okay, that's assignment 5-1, working with conversion to Microsoft Word and upload to Google Drive.